Hello folks, Richard Fontana here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now this is an exceptional offer, folks, so I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Imagine if you could turn your smartphone into an automated money-making machine. Hey, my name is Glyn, and if you give me just 30 seconds of your time, you're going to see how we are getting paid at least $1,000 over and over every time we upload done-for-you videos to TikTok. Listen, I want you to take a close look at the payments right now that we are receiving. Would you like to see how we pull this off every single day? If you answered yes, then you're in for a treat, because this is the reason why there are so many millionaires being created every day on TikTok. I'm sure you've seen them flashing their newly found wealth on Lamborghinis, penthouse apartments, and yacht parties around cities like Dubai and Miami Beach. Well, that could be you, my friends. So how does it work? Well, it's all possible by exploiting a little-known done-for-you AI loophole inside the $200 billion TikTok algorithm. And when I say done-for-you, that means we don't need to create these videos ourselves. No editing, no showing your face on camera, no recording your voice, none of that. It's like popping a meal in the microwave instead of preparing it yourself. This brand new AI automated TikTok system is getting us a nuclear explosion of results online. Our new solution lets us turn any TikTok account, old or new, into a $1,000 a day viral traffic leads and sales machine in 60 seconds flat. We just upload videos to TikTok that are already created for us. Thanks to artificial intelligence, each time we do it, we get paid. On average, we're making $50 to $100 per day per video every day. And it's not just my team and I having success with this. In fact, our initial beta testers have made a combined income of $17,382 within 30 days. And every single member of this test group was brand new to making money online. With this brand new system, there's no messing around with solo ads, Google AdSense, Facebook, YouTube, email marketing, or anyone else that you've seen before. This is brand spanking new, and it's here to stay for good. I can't tell you how excited I am to show you what makes this all possible, and I'd love to introduce you to Stealth AI. Let me walk you through how easy it is for us to start making money. Step number 1, access the Stealth AI system by clicking on the buy button below this video. You're going to want to do this right now because the price will be going back to monthly after our early adopter discount goes away. If you come back later, you could miss out. Step number 2, select a done-for-you video inside and hit the upload button. Zero video editing required, and of course you don't have to get on camera or show your own face. And step number 3, this is the best part, each time we upload a video we are making $50 to $100 payments over and over again like clockwork. And that's it, there's nothing else to do. Simply fire up Stealth AI on your device of choice, phone or computer, and begin uploading the done-for-you videos that we're giving you. And trust me when I say this, nothing beats the thrill of making money on the internet. I promise you right now that you're not going to find anything out there remotely similar to Stealth AI. We spent over a year fine-tuning and perfecting our system to make sure you get great results. Now the reason why this works so well is because our system finds videos that have already gone viral and are already making other people money. Our system then gives you those videos, and so you too can have success with them. That's why it's no surprise that we get paid $50 to $100 for every video we upload. Remember, these are completely done for you, and all you have to do is upload the videos we give you inside of the incredible Stealth AI. This system allows us to earn influencer and celebrity income without having to get famous or show our face. With this system, we're always in stealth mode, just quietly banking cash in the background. There's no technical setup, no video recording, no investment needed, no speaking, no reading, no waiting for results, and no waiting to get paid. This is literally the best way we've ever seen to get results online. So I've shown you all the ins and outs of Stealth AI. You've seen the magic yourself, but you might be wondering, how much is this going to cost you? Well, it costs me tens of thousands to develop this system, along with thousands of hours of work. We've tested this with hundreds of different beta testers. Heck, even my neighbor's 4-year-old son made money with the Stealth AI system. So what do you think would be a reasonable price? $300 per month, since Stealth AI would quickly pay for itself? That's a steal of a price, but we get it. There are so many scams and nonsense out there, and it can be nerve-wracking to try out something new. We don't blame you at all. So to make this an easier decision for you, we're going to offer you Stealth AI as a low price that anyone can afford. And if that wasn't enough, you have a full 180 days to get your money back if anything goes wrong. Plus we'll throw in $250 just as a nice gesture for wasting your time. The ball is now in your court, my friend. You have no risk on your end. You can either leave this page and continue going down the path of figuring everything out yourself, which might work for you, but it could take you years to see results. Why do that when there's a shortcut like Stealth AI? And with all our recent testing and tweaking, it's optimized to make our members more money than ever before. So what are you waiting for? Are you ready to make this year great? The answer is yes. Take the plunge right now. Click the button below to get a copy of Stealth AI at the lowest price.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.